This is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Friday, the 8th of July. And today the market gapped down heavily on worse than expected non-farm payrolls. A lot of people were kind of looking for NFP to be worse than expected and to, start some selling. And that's exactly what happened. It was, pretty interesting. I, took a little bit of a long down here before the market and rode that thing up a little bit. When the market opened, we did get a little bit of, the market opened, and I did take a long right at the open, and I was able to, take profit on that on the way up. It came back down. We took another long, and we were able to take some good profit on that on the way up. Watched the market come down a little bit, and we grabbed along right in here, and we did exit that pretty quickly. We didn't get close to the our minimum target, the first target. uh, I just went ahead and took profits just because it looked a little bit choppy. And sometimes you take profits and the market keeps going. Sometimes you take profits, the majority of the time you take profits and the market goes against you. At least the way that I trade. So, took that off and pretty much just watched the market and talked for the remainder of the day. We had three trades. The maximum profit potential were 6.25 points or 25 ticks. And I personally did a little bit better than that because I teach a multiple contract system. And, that's what you would expect. You'd want to do better than that. Uh, this is assuming that you trade only one contract. So that's why I say that, I always want to do better than these numbers, and it's a challenge for me. So I like it. Trading is supposed to be challenging. That's why not a lot of people do it, and also that's why not a lot of people are successful at it. Just because it is very challenging. It's pretty much the successful traders are, the best of the best. And that's one of the reasons I decided to be a trader. It was definitely a long journey, and there was a lot of struggling. I was never fortunate enough to have a mentor. When I started trading, a couple people who got me into it were fundamental analysts. They were, trading equities, and I got into it on that side, and then quickly gravitated towards the technicals. Just, that's the style that I like better, and kind of formulated this future strategy, and kind of fell in love with the ES market, and that's how I got to where I am. But it was definitely an interesting journey, and I think not having a mentor made me grow a whole lot more than say if I had one, because I had to quickly figure out this doesn't work, this does work, this sort of works, and put everything in categories, and eventually develop a system that worked for me. I have been kind of like that my entire life, though. I taught myself how to play guitar. I taught myself other things as well. Certain things in economics and other things like that. I kind of taught myself as well, or just found different things and just learned about it on my own rather than in a classroom environment or anything like that. So, myself trading definitely works for me. Couple people that I've trained, well, more than a couple, but you know, the some people that I've trained have, really enjoyed this as well and incorporated this into what they already do, or maybe just quit doing what they do and trade the same style that I do the same way. But it's definitely a lot of fun. We do talk trading every day in the morning and the afternoon. I try to do member videos every weekend, and no, I wouldn't trade it for the world. Anyway, the website is www.businesswithtrading.com. Stop by, check it out, see if it's for you or not. Upper right hand side of the website has a contact form, so if you have any questions, you want to sign up, but you have questions, You don't want to sign up, you just want to give me some feedback, whatever the case, definitely shoot me out an email. I enjoy reading emails, and it's fun for me meeting other people from around the U.S. and other countries. Met a lot of people in other countries, and it's definitely pretty cool. Everybody has a different perspective on things, and that's why I really enjoy meeting other people, because you not only meet them, but you see the way that they see things, and everybody has a different view on different topics. It doesn't matter. Maybe you had the same upbringing. You're still gonna have different viewpoints. My brother has different viewpoints than I do, and we even view the same things a little bit differently, which is pretty cool, because you get to see all that, and that's what trading is all about. Everyone's gonna view it differently, but you're gonna have the same core. So if that makes sense. But anyway, it is a lot of fun. So definitely check out the site. Send me some emails if you have any questions or anything. If you do enjoy this video you're watching right now, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Definitely would appreciate that. Hope everyone has an awesome weekend, and I'll see everyone Monday morning in the markets. Thank you.